My name is Kamren. I am a recent graduate of Bradley University, and I am currently a postgraduate human resources intern at Radio Flyer near Oak Park here in Chicago. This is the career design workshop hosted by Nicole, and I would kind of describe this as a very developmental opportunity for anyone going through because it really makes you kind of think outside of the box in new and creative ways and address pieces of yourself and self-reflect in ways that you wouldn't typically engage in on a day-to-day basis. So for example, addressing some of your failures but being able to reframe them is huge in looking at your past, but it's a tool that you can use moving forward in your everyday life and in a work environment. My favorite part of the workshop and what stood out to me the most was the career mapping or the mind mapping that we did for our ideal career. This stood out to me a lot because I think that it's really hard to align what you think you should be doing or what you want to do in life with what you're actually passionate about at your core. So I think that starting with something you like and branching off from there, all of the things that are meaningful to you, I think it's really easy to find those key passions that you have and then combine them all into finding a career that would actually work best for you and align all of these things in your life. So, yeah.